You might be wondering, can you buy Bitcoin with a credit card on Gemini? The short answer is yes, but there are a few things you should know. Gemini allows credit card purchases of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, making it easy and fast to get started. First, log in or sign up for a Gemini account, then go through the identity verification process. Once verified, add your credit card under the Payment Methods section. Next, go to the Buy-Sell screen, select Bitcoin, enter the amount you want, and choose your linked credit card as the payment method. Keep in mind that Gemini may charge a convenience fee for credit card transactions, usually around 3% depending on your region. Also, some credit cards may treat crypto purchases like cash advances, which can come with higher interest rates. Always check with your card issuer before buying. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more crypto tips and Gemini tutorials.